Today we weave with thankful hands. Every stitch remembers a gift received, time, warmth, a smile that stayed. Make a magic ring. Work 16 double crochet stitches into the ring. Join with 1 slip stitch to the first double crochet stitch. Total 16 double crochets. We draw the relief softly. Work 1 front post double crochet around the posts of 2 double crochet stitches from round 1 at the same time, treating them as one. Chain 1. Repeat this sequence 8 times around the circle. Join with 1 slip stitch. Totals 8 front post double crochets, 8 chain 1 spaces. Leaf green. We touch only the back loops of round 1. Calm hands. Make 2 puff 3 in each next stitch around. Threads arrive like little blessings. I don't rush them, I let the yarn speak and the pattern answer. Join to the closing chain of the first puff stitch. Total 16 puffs 3. Start between 2 puff clusters from round 3. In that gap make 1 single crochet, then chains 4. Move to the next gap and repeat around 8 times. Join to the first single crochet. Totals 8 chain 4 arches and 8 single crochets. Petals. In each arch work 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 2 double crochets, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet. Let each petal open. Then move to the next arch. Repeat this for the remaining 7 arches. Abundance is not more and more, it's enough and shared. Join to the first single crochet. Totals: 32 double crochets, 16 half double crochets, 16 single crochets. Relief. We mark the petals with relief so they appear. Working around the posts from round 5. First, work 1 front post half double crochet around the single crochet from round 5, then skip the inner single crochet. Next, make 6 front post half double crochets around the remaining stitches of the petal. As the light grows softer, I bless what's coming. Rest, quiet mornings wool over the shoulders, tea by the window. Repeat the same relief around each petal. Join to the first front post half double crochet. Totals: 56 front post half double crochets. Second petal layer, back loop only. Return to round 5 and use the back loop only for a gentle shadow. Start in the first half double crochet stitch of 1 petal and work 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 2 double crochets in the next stitch. Two double crochets in the next stitch. One half double crochet, one single crochet, repeat for the remaining 7 petals. Join to the first single crochet. Totals: 32 double crochets, 16 half double crochets, 16 single crochets. Puffs and relief. Between 2 puff clusters of round 3, make 1 puff. Skip the single crochet from round 7. Then make 6 front post half double crochets to trace the petal. May this mandala keep the door open to hope, enough for us, and enough to give away. Repeat this sequence 7 times around the circle. Join to the closing chain of the first puffs. Totals: 8 puffs and 48 front post half double crochets. Remember, a chair, a light, and company are here. We continue together.